Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ervina again here. Today in this video is gonna be very special because I'm gonna show you amazing sunset in the resort. And me and my friends. Hey, come here. Yeah, and this is my friend.
Welcome to Maldives.
Yeah, so we are decided to walking around the island after finish our walk, and just want to show you guys how it looks like the resort that I walk. I think I saw the sunset and oh, it's amazing. So yeah guys, I'm gonna rush now to the jetty, which is we can see full the sunset over there. So I'm gonna see you over there later. Because this lady is, I'm waiting her for take a shower, like 15 minutes.
I'm a woman, that's why. It's so amazing.
Then I think this lady giving a wrong way, so we're gonna move again to the other side, which is we going to the jetty. And we can see the full of the sunset. That's the marine center and diving center area, so we can see the sunset full from there.
Hopefully we are not late.
It's crazy, it's very crazy. So lovely place. So we're gonna get closer to the sunset side.